my search for freedom and peace of mind.